With over 40 years of gas compression experience, Mustang Cat has learned a few things about what's most important to their customers: minimal downtime, productive collaboration, genuine Cat parts for seamless integration, upgrading to the latest technology, and reliable, flexible support. To bring this kind of next-level value to customers, they've invested in a swing engine fleet program with G3600 standby engines at the ready.
I'd say one of the biggest concerns of gas compression customers is downtime. You have a unit that's out in the field producing gas, and when that unit goes down, it's very critical that unit come back into operation. How we offset that is Mustang Cat has an exchange fleet of over 100,000 horsepower on site that we have available to customers to use.
Mustang has invested millions of dollars in our exchange engine fleet. The goal with this is to provide value to the customer with decreased downtime and extended market reach.
With an engine that we have available, we can swing that engine and that customer can be back up and running within 48 hours, as opposed to an average of 4 to 6 weeks rebuild time if they were to send us their own engine.
It's an investment in the program, but also in supporting the customer's need to meet their goals.
Mustang Cat is not afraid to invest in our customers' success. The value adds that we're trying to provide to them are the total cost of ownership being low, as well as minimizing downtime. Ultimately, we're saving them money in the long run.
Through it all, Mustang Cat is keeping customers top of mind by going above and beyond to keep them up and running.
Mustang Cat is really excited about the 3600 Gen 2 kits. We've turned our lean burn engine into something that you can increase your horsepower on, as well as decrease the emissions. These engines are made to withstand multiple life cycles, so we do talk to our customers about the quality of the OEM parts and needing to use those so they can get the maximum life out of their engine.
And it's paying off as they continue to upgrade their facilities and field service capabilities to keep up with demand.
Mustang Cat has 3 large engine rebuild facilities and our field service capabilities. That is 170 technicians total, with the capacity to do over 400 engines annually for rebuild.
When it comes to support, Mustang Cat is keeping their foot on the gas, offering 24/7 support with customer service that always goes the extra mile.
Mustang Cat has product support offerings 24/7, so our parts department is available to our customers 24/7, as well as our field service capabilities. Whatever our customers need, we're available for them.
Increased uptime, seamless collaboration, the latest technology, and flexible, dependable support. That's why customers choose Caterpillar.